cooking chicken with Megan. You must make love to the chicken. Oh. Oh. Oh, dear God. Sweet Jesus.
Love your meat, people. Love the meat.
Like a heart with it. Oh.
Love your meat. Oh. Like, so you want to fuck, huh?
Oh. That's your badge lips?
I know, right?
Oh.
That's your coochie?
Do it. The clit.
Ew, where would that be? That looks better that way. Like, this is it? Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
It's like 3 clips.
I know.
That'd be amazing. Like
I don't think I would ever leave the house.
Seriously.
Okay, this meat is
Done.
Wait, I'm gonna season
This
it.
poor chicken. This poor chicken. Died to be molested by us. Oh my God, we're going to hell.
Thank you, chicken. Up and back on
God, please accept
these chicken bits as a present.
the sacrifice.
My sacrifice.
The end.